The city isn't the best place for me to be, and so the field is where I go. Me and my family on the farm, planting crops, walking fast, and then we plant slow. And some of the farmers work the soil until it's bare, but trust me and give this a chance. Now take a ride out to my farm that we're surveying right before we start to plant. Now I'm singing like,
soil, I know you need good health. That's why I took a soil test to the lab. Come on now, what do you need? NPK, SCAMG.
Say soil, got to protect you from all the rain, wind, and compaction too. That is why I love these roots. That is why I love these roots.
I'm in love with the residue that I pull my planter through. Although tilling is kind of fun too, I'm in love with the cover. Last night I was in the field, planting clover and radishes too. Every day discovering